Good morning to everyone. Respected class teacher and my dear friends. Myself Sanika. I am from 6th standard A section. Today my team is gathered here to present you a speech, biography of 5 freedom fighters and what does the 3 colors of national flag means, which are saffron, white and green. Also, let's see what does the Ashoka Chakra means. So, now let's get started with a small speech about Independence Day. Good morning to all. Today I am here to give a speech about Independence Day. 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day all over country because it was a day when we gained the freedom from the British rule. This freedom is got because of the brave freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Sangoli Rayanna. Also because of some women freedom fighters fought bravely against the British Empire to save our country like Rani Chennamma, who is the Queen of Kittur, and Rani Lakshmibai have sacrificed their lives to gain the freedom for our country. Many freedom fighters went to jail because of the lie reasons given by the British Empire during the Freedom War. But any freedom fighters does not lose their hope and fought against the British rule till their last breath. So what we have to learn from this freedom fight is that if they does not sacrifice their lives to gain the freedom for our country, today it was not possible for us to take our own decision to study in a better school and gain the education. It was not possible from us. It was not possible from us to choose our government. Today we have all this freedom because of the sacrifice of the brave freedom fighters that day. So we have to respect all the freedom fighters and remember the freedom fighters when we see their photos, when we hear their names. We have to pray every freedom fighters and we have to thank all the freedom fighters because of the sacrifice of their lives. That day the sacrifice was not there. Today it was not possible from us to be here. So remember one thing. Everyone are Indians. There is no religion, caste. We all should be together. We all should not give up in any way. That day the British ruled our India because of the togetherness was not there. Everyone used to see the religion, caste. Nobody used to think we all are together. But today we should not be like that. We should be together and we should fight against any problem together. So, thank you. A speech about Independence Day. Now, let's see the biography of 5 freedom fighters. Let's start with Mahatma Gandhi.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sampada S. I am studying in 6th A section. I am here to speak some words of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was a great freedom fighter. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchandra Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi also called Bapu a father of our nation. His father name was Karamchandra Gandhi and his mother name was Putali Bai Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi believed in simple living and high thinking. The great leader of our country died on 30th January 1948. This great leader of our inspiration for us. Thank you.
Now I am going to speak about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was one of the most important freedom fighters in the independence movement of our country, which is India. He belonged to the Sikh family in Punjab and was born in the freedom movement and was greatly influenced by the Gandhiji. He was called Shahid Azam Bhagat Singh among his followers. Bhagat Singh has sacrificed his life in his young age and gave his life for the freedom of our country. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Habib. I am studying in 6th standard. Jawaharlal Nehru was born on the year of 1889 and was dead on the year of 1964. He was first Prime Minister of our country. He emerged as permanent leader of India, independence monument and the Mahatma Gandhi and relieved India from its abolishment as independent nation in 1947 until he died in office in 1964. Nehru is commissioned to be object of the modern India National. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Myself Samyani. Today let's see biography of great women freedom fighters. First we can see about Kittur Rani Channamma. Kittur Rani Channamma was born on 23rd October 1778 in Belgavi, Karnataka. Kittur Rani Channamma was a first woman freedom fighter fight against the British Emperor to save her motherland. Kittur Rani Channamma status was installed in Karnataka state in Kitturu. Kittur Rani Channamma was one of the first women freedom fighter fight against with the British Emperor. Thank you.
We heard the biography of freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, also of women freedom fighters Rani Chennamma. Now, we should also see what does the three color of the national flag means, which are saffron, white and green. So let's start with saffron.
Good morning to one and all. My name is Gautam. I am from 6th day. I am talking about saffron. Saffron is the first color of flag that indicates the strength and courage of our country. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavan. I am from 6th standard A section. This is second color of Indian flag. That is white. This color indicates the peace and growth of our country with Dharma Chakra. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Ankita, I am from 6th. Good morning everyone, myself Ankita, I am from 6th standard section. This is green color, which is third color of Indian flag, and this color indicates the fertility, growth and success of life.
This is Ashoka Chakra. The Ashoka Chakra is the 150 is also known as the Samaya Chakra or Bhava Chakra. A Ashoka Chakra is seen in the center of Indian flag. Our flag with Ashoka Chakra was adopted on 22nd July 1944. It has 24 lines in the blue color. All the spokes are evenly spread on the Ashoka Chakra. One opinion is that 24 spokes respect 24-hour day. It is a respiration of constant movement and progress. Thank you. Now we saw a speech, biography of 5 freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and the women freedom fighters like Rani Chennamma and Rani Lakshmibai. So, I would like to thank you all for giving the opportunity for my team to present you all of this. Thank you.